Hi everyone! Welcome to Dyana Kitchen.
So guys, today I'm going to make some curry chicken foot. Here's the chicken foot. I'm going to wash it with vinegar. Then I'm going to cut off those little toes. See those toes? They need to go. So I'm going to cut them off and then clean it up. Sorry, so this is the vinegar. So I'm going to wash it right now. I'm going to use the seasoned minced garlic. This is my powder season. Some curry powder. I use about 1.5 teaspoons. Be careful with the curry. I'm going to use some meat season with a little pinch of jerk season, guys. Okay, I'm going to use some garlic powder. I'm going to use some smoked paprika, thyme, and a little garlic salt. Guys, so now we're going to season. So this is my season. I'm just going to pour everything all over it. So guys, this is it. I'm going to leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes and come back to it and then start to cook it. Guys, but if you are making this recipe and you need to cook it like right away, you can cook it right away. But for me, I have time on my hands. Okay guys, so this is my oil. So I'm gonna put in my curry chicken foot. Okay, I'm going to saute the chicken foot for around 2 to 3 minutes. After it's sauteed, I'm gonna pour a good amount of water all over it and let it cook for about 30 minutes. This is the minced garlic. So this is my fresh season. I have some onion here, scallion. I have some sweet pepper. It's named bell pepper, but we call it sweet pepper in my country. And I have some thyme, some fresh thyme. And I have scotch bonnet pepper. Then I have my carrot. Okay, so I'm not going to put these in yet until my chicken foot cook. My curry chicken foot is cooking really nicely, guys. Look at that. So now I'm going to put in some potato in my chicken foot. This is my potato. I'm going to let it cook for another 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put my seasoning inside.
This world is loud and tempting, calling me to lose my way. But your whisper breaks the madness, pulls me from the dark and gray. I'm not made to blend with shadows. I was born for holy light.
So guys, my curry chicken foot is finished, as you can see. I'm gonna eat it with some caramel dumpling. Oh guys, I'm gonna have a good dinner. All right guys, I'm gonna share it and show you the result. Look at that nice gravy, guys. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh guys, it looks so good.